Hey there, entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online business, specifically focusing on how you can make money online with Shopify Dropshipping. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights to boost your business game. Segment 1. Unpacking Shopify Dropshipping. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding the core of Shopify Dropshipping. Imagine having a virtual store without the hassle of managing inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping, my friends. No more storage woes, no upfront costs, just you, your laptop, and the world of endless possibilities. Segment 2. Navigating the Shopify dashboard. Now let's get hands-on. I'll walk you through the Shopify dashboard, from setting up your store to customizing it to match your brand. Remember, a visually appealing store is a profitable store. And don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. Shopify's got your back. Segment 3. Winning strategies for product selection. Choosing the right products is crucial for dropshipping success. We'll explore trending niches, winning product criteria, and how to stay ahead of the competition. Stay tuned, the gems of knowledge are coming your way. Segment 4. Mastering marketing techniques. You've got your store set up, but how do you bring in the customers? It's time to master marketing techniques tailored for Shopify. From social media campaigns to email marketing, we've got your marketing game covered. Segment 5. Analyzing data for optimization. Data is power. We'll guide you on leveraging Shopify analytics to understand customer behavior, optimize your store, and skyrocket your sales. Prepare to be amazed at what data-driven decisions can do for your business. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money online with Shopify Dropshipping. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Remember, success in dropshipping is a journey, not a destination. Keep hustling, stay motivated, and let's turn those dreams into reality. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building those empires. If you'd prefer a version without these recommendations or have specific preferences, let us know in the comments. We're here to tailor the content to your liking. Does the tone match your expectations? Share your thoughts. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned with us for latest information.